Introducing HondaTrue Used, an expansion of our certified pre-owned program backed by incredible benefits. So what makes a used vehicle Honda True? We start with Honda vehicles that are 10 years old or newer. Like our Certified and Certified Plus vehicles, a thorough background check is performed on every vehicle's history using trusted sources like Carfax and AutoCheck to make sure they have no history of problems like collisions, flood damage, or canceled warranties. In fact, customers can check out the vehicle's history for themselves with a complimentary vehicle history report. Next, HondaTrue Used vehicles must pass a rigorous 112-point inspection. Factory-trained dealer technicians carefully clean and inspect the interior, ensuring every covered component operates as it should, from the radio and information displays to windshield wipers and seat adjustments. Outside the vehicle, technicians go bumper to bumper, ensuring headlights, turn signals, and windshields are in working condition. Then comes the critical under-the-hood inspection. Technicians inspect for damage, excessive wear, and functionality, making repairs with factory parts and replacing items like brake pads, rotors, tires, and air filters if needed. Then every vehicle goes on the road, where technicians ensure a quality driving experience. If a vehicle passes its service inspection, it has one final inspection with a member of the sales team to ensure it's ready for the sales floor. The inspection checklist is then saved to the vehicle's profile and made available on the Honda Certified website. Find your perfect vehicle online or shop with a friendly and knowledgeable sales consultant at one of our Honda dealerships nationwide. Compare options, take a test drive, and inspect the vehicle for yourself. Then, purchase with confidence, knowing that vehicle comes with a 100-day, 5,000-mile warranty usable at any dealership nationwide. During your first year of ownership, enjoy roadside assistance, a complimentary oil change, trip interruption expense reimbursement, and concierge services, as well as 3 months of Sirius XM satellite radio. And, adding an additional layer of security, HondaTrue Used vehicles can be exchanged for any reason in the first 3 days and up to 300 miles after purchase. Whether you're looking for a like-new HondaTrue Certified or HondaTrue Certified Plus vehicle, or just a reliable HondaTrue Used vehicle with great value, there's a Honda Certified pre-owned vehicle waiting for you. Find yours today at HondaCertified.com.